Filecoin is now storing petabytes of data. There are users who are storing their files on Filecoin. There are SPs who are providing storage capacity. But there is also a community who wish to search and discover the content present on Filecoin and use it on their projects. This is the gap that Seek aims to fill in. Seek is an incentive based application for search and discovery of goldmine of content present on Filecoin. With this, let's dive into the application. Let's start by connecting the wallet. Let me just open it. It's a Rainbow Kit. Connect. It will ask me to sign out nonce. Done. And now we are into the application. So you can see a bunch of options. These are the points, how much fill in tip this particular user has received. Let's create a content first. So I can type a CID, and this is a Carl Sagan quote. Type is a image. Category is also image. And maybe let's leave the description. These are optional. It's a 66 kilobyte file. It's present on Filecoin and image. Okay, and create the content. Now the content is created. If I refresh the page, it's here. So if I click on a particular content, suppose this one, what I see is the content hash and the type of the file, the category, whatever is defined by the user is available here. The description of the content, I can add some comments to talk with this particular user. If I like this particular content, I can just hit a like. And since it's a dataset category, I can also open this particular file in a Google Colab to import this dataset and start using it on my application. So if I go to a image, this is an image category, so you do not see a Colab option. Also, since I like this dataset, I can send a tip to this particular user. Okay, let's send him 0.2 Filecoin. Send a tip. It will ask me to confirm. The transaction is sent. Let's wait for the confirmation. So the transaction is successful. The tip is sent. So I just incentivized a user for uploading this particular content to Filecoin. With this, we can bring more and more data to the Filecoin network and also filter out some really good content from the spam content using incentives. The people in the community will have an incentive to upload really good quality of data so that they can receive handsome tips. Like the tip has increased to 1.2 fill for this particular user. Now apart from that, you can search for a particular content. Let's search for alien, and this is particular search result, and this is one result. So, and you also see a sponsored ad. So any revenue which is generated from this search by a guy watching this particular advertisement directly goes to this particular user who has provided this content. So this is another added incentive for the users to save content on Filecoin and tag it on Seek. And yeah, so here these are the points which a particular user gets from search results, and these are the tip incentive that a user gets. So if I just disconnect with this wallet and connect to my MetaMask, which is here, so I can see the tip that particular user sent him. So this one increased, and my points are also increased. And if I go to any particular content, since this particular content is created by me, I can mint this content as an NFT and list it on a marketplace as well. And also, since this content was provided by the other user, I can send him a tip, or I can just add a comment. Good job. Thank you.